Hey everyone! Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video before anything else. Let's get going! Now imagine a plate bursting with color. Each ingredient a brushstroke on a vibrant canvas, inviting you to explore a world of taste and creativity. The vibrant orange of spicy mango salsa dances next to the deep leafy green of fresh cilantro, creating a visual and flavorful contrast that excites the senses before the first bite. A delicate drizzle of creamy white coconut sauce weaves through the dish, adding a subtle sweetness that balances the heat and tang, making every mouthful a delightful surprise. This isn't just a meal, it's an explosion of flavors from around the world, where culinary traditions blend seamlessly, and every bite tells a story of distant lands and bold innovation. Welcome to the exciting world of fusion food, where chefs become artists and every dish is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Fusion food is about pushing boundaries and embracing creativity in the kitchen, combining unexpected ingredients and techniques to craft something truly original. It's about taking familiar ingredients, those you know and love, and transforming them into something entirely new and unexpected, challenging your palate and your imagination. It's about the thrill of discovering a flavor combination you never knew existed, and the joy of sharing that discovery with others at the table, making every meal a celebration of curiosity and connection. Fusion food is more than just a trend, it's a culinary revolution. It's about chefs and food lovers alike breaking free from tradition and experimenting with bold, new flavors. It's about bringing together different culinary traditions to create something truly unique and exciting. At its heart, fusion food is about curiosity and a love of exploring different cultures through their cuisines. It's about taking the best of different worlds and combining them into a harmonious and delicious whole. A fusion food is a global phenomenon, embraced by people from all walks of life. Its popularity stems from our increasingly interconnected world, where travel and cultural exchange are more accessible than ever before. This culinary movement celebrates diversity and encourages us to step outside our comfort zones. It invites us to explore new flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques from every corner of the globe. The possibilities of fusion food are endless. Imagine the tangy flavors of kimchi, a staple of Korean cuisine, adding a spicy kick to a classic Mexican taco. Or picture the rich aromas of Indian spices infusing a creamy Italian risotto, creating a symphony of flavors that tantalize the taste buds. From Japanese Peruvian sushi to Vietnamese-inspired burgers, fusion cuisine knows no bounds. It's about taking inspiration from different cultures and creating dishes that are both familiar and surprising. The roots of fusion food can be traced back centuries to the ancient spice routes that connected East and West. As traders and travelers journeyed across continents, they brought with them new ingredients and culinary traditions. Over time, these influences intertwined, giving rise to new and exciting dishes. The invention of the printing press and the rise of global trade in the 15th and 16th centuries further accelerated the exchange of culinary ideas, laying the foundation for the fusion food movement we know today. Fusion chefs are like artists, using ingredients as their palette and flavors as their brushstrokes. They possess a deep understanding of different culinary traditions and a willingness to experiment with bold and unexpected combinations. Creating a successful fusion dish is a delicate balancing act. It's about respecting the integrity of the original cuisines while also introducing new and exciting elements. Ready to embark on your own fusion adventure? Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, this recipe is designed to be approachable, fun, and guaranteed to wow your friends and family. Fusion cooking is all about blending flavors and traditions, and today, we're bringing together the best of Korean and Mexican cuisine in one unforgettable dish. Let's make Korean bulgogi tacos, a dish that's bursting with savory, sweet, and spicy notes, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. These tacos are perfect for a casual dinner, a weekend get-together, or even a special occasion when you want to serve something unique and memorable. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, 1 pound of thinly sliced ribeye steak. The ribeye is key for its tenderness and rich flavor, making every bite juicy and satisfying. Next, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, which will give the beef its signature umami depth. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for a touch of sweetness that balances the savory flavors. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil brings a nutty aroma and silkiness to the marinade. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, which adds a zesty kick and brightness. 2 cloves of garlic, minced, will infuse the beef with a deep, aromatic flavor. For freshness and crunch, add half a cup of chopped green onion. You'll also need 12 small corn tortillas. And for toppings, kimchi for tang, chopped cilantro for a burst of herbal flavor, and a drizzle of sriracha mayo for creamy heat. Now, let's put it all together. In a large bowl, combine the soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and green onion. Mix well to create a flavorful marinade that will soak into the beef. Add the thinly sliced ribeye steak to the bowl, making sure every piece is coated. Cover and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful meat. When you're ready to cook, heat a large skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. You want it nice and hot to get a good sear on the beef. Working in batches, cook the marinated beef until it's beautifully browned and cooked through, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. The aroma will fill your kitchen. While the beef cooks, warm your tortillas in a dry skillet or directly over an open flame for a bit of char and extra flavor. To assemble, fill each tortilla with a generous portion of the bulgogi beef. Top with kimchi, a sprinkle of cilantro, and a swirl of sriracha mayo. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. And there you have it, a simple, crowd-pleasing fusion recipe that's sure to impress. Serve immediately and enjoy the explosion of flavors in every bite. Creating your own fusion dishes is easier than you think. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, start with familiar flavors. Choose a cuisine you love and, experiment with adding ingredients or techniques from another culture. Don't be afraid to experiment because honestly, the beauty of fusion food is that there are no rules. Let your creativity guide you. Balance is key, so aim for a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. And, taste as you go. Adjust seasonings and ingredients to your liking. To truly unlock the world of global flavors in your own kitchen, it's important to stock your pantry with a selection of versatile, foundational ingredients. These staples are the building blocks for countless fusion recipes, allowing you to experiment and create dishes inspired by cuisines from every corner of the globe. With just a few key items on hand, you'll be ready to whip up anything from a quick stir-fry to a complex curry, or even a zesty Latin American salad. Take soy sauce, for example. This salty, umami-rich condiment is a cornerstone of Asian cooking, but its uses go far beyond traditional recipes. It's perfect for adding savory depth to marinades, salad dressings, and even unexpected dishes like roasted vegetables or fusion tacos. Just a splash can transform the flavor profile of your meal, making it more complex and satisfying. Fish sauce is another essential, especially in Southeast Asian cuisine. While its pungent aroma might seem intimidating at first, don't let that stop you. Just a few drops can add an incredible umami richness and depth to soups, dipping sauces, and stir-fries. It's also fantastic for balancing sweet, sour, and spicy flavors in a dish, making it a secret weapon for adventurous cooks. Coconut milk is a creamy, luscious ingredient that's indispensable for Thai and Indian curries, but its uses don't stop there. It's also wonderful in soups, smoothies, and even desserts, lending a subtle sweetness and velvety texture. Whether you're making a spicy curry or a tropical rice pudding, coconut milk brings a rich, comforting element to your cooking. Fresh lime juice is another must-have. A simple squeeze can instantly brighten up the flavors of Mexican and Latin American dishes, but it's also great in Southeast Asian salads, drinks, and even as a finishing touch for grilled meats or seafood. Its tangy, refreshing acidity cuts through richness and ties all the flavors together. And finally, cilantro, a fragrant, vibrant herb that's beloved in Asian, Latin American, and Middle Eastern cuisines. Sprinkle it over noodles, toss it into salads, or use it as a garnish for soups and stews. Its fresh, citrusy notes add brightness and a burst of color, making every dish feel more lively and inviting. Fusion restaurants have become culinary hotspots, attracting diners eager to explore new and exciting flavors. These restaurants offer a passport to global cuisine, all under one roof. From casual eateries to upscale dining experiences, fusion restaurants reflect the growing demand for diverse and innovative culinary experiences. They are spaces where cultures collide on your plate, creating a symphony of flavors that, honestly, can transport you around the world. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok have become, honestly, these virtual melting pots for food lovers to share their culinary creations. The rise of food photography and video tutorials has made it easier than ever to discover new fusion dishes and learn how to recreate them at home. Hashtags like #FusionFood and #GlobalCuisine connect food enthusiasts from all around the world, fostering a sense of community and, well, inspiring culinary creativity. Social media has really become the ultimate platform for showcasing the endless possibilities of fusion cuisine. The world of fusion food is constantly evolving, with chefs always pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. As culinary traditions continue to blend and evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting and unexpected flavor combinations in the future. From molecular gastronomy techniques to plant-based fusion dishes, the future of fusion cuisine is honestly full of endless possibilities. I encourage you to, embrace the excitement of fusion food and experiment in your own kitchen. Share your culinary creations on social media using the hashtag #PadmasFusionFiesta, and let's inspire each other with our love of global flavors. Fusion food is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and the power of food to bring people together. It's a reminder that the most delicious discoveries often happen when we step outside our comfort zones and embrace the unexpected. So let's raise a glass or a fork to the endless possibilities of fusion cuisine and continue to explore the world, one delicious bite at a time.